Our oceans are slowly suffocating. According to a recent study published in the journal Global Biochemical Cycles, climate change is reducing the amount of oxygen in our oceans, and that's bad news for us and our marine ecosystems. By using modeling data to predict ocean oxygen levels, scientists were able to determine that we could see widespread deoxygenation in as little as 15 years. As our planet heats up, much of that temperature increase is being absorbed by our oceans, but when the water temperature increases too much, the ocean system that regulates oxygen at different depths gets thrown off balance, and oxygen levels in some areas of the ocean become too low to support marine life. The warmer the ocean gets, the less those ocean layers mix, and the levels of oxygen get even lower. As the lead author of the study, Matthew Long, explained, it's that mixing that's responsible for sustaining oxygen levels at depth. And just like on land, marine mammals like crabs and fish need oxygen to survive. That's why areas of the oceans without enough oxygen are often referred to as dead zones, because where there's no oxygen, there's also virtually no life. Mr. Long warned, as oxygen levels decline, more and more of the ocean is going to be uninhabitable by certain organisms. Habitat will become more fragmented and the ecosystem will become more vulnerable to other stresses, end quote. All too often, people think about global warming in terms of hotter summer temperatures or bigger storms, but they forget about how those higher temperatures affect our ocean. That isn't only bad news for fish and marine life, it's bad news for the millions of people who depend on our oceans for food. If we don't make some big changes to save our oceans, it won't be only the fish who find it more difficult to survive.